as a production ISO. I'm gonna pick the 231, 233, and 234, and I'm gonna run it. So create. Let's wait here for a little bit. So I will explain you guys better what's going on. All right. So let's pull up the 231. So as we can see, we get the 231 line number, and this is sheet number 1, right? So that means this line will have a continuation, and Plant 3D does that very well. So it's all good. So we can see that 231S11-2. So if I go to the page number 2, I will see that continuation. It's right over here. So as you can see, that's still 231 sheet number 2, and I can see a continuation. So 231 S11 continues on sheet number 1. So, but the problem is here. Let's say now we are going to a 233 line number. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to load the application I've built. So net load SMTISO.dll. So open up that one. And okay, so now I'm going to type batch ISO, and the form will pull up. And I already created an Imperial template here, okay? So I'm going to add files, browse for those isometrics you just created, if you close, and open up. And then I'm going to process the file. So I'm 11-01. So if I go to the 233, that's the says it continues 231-02. So if I go to the 231-02, I can see continuations. And same up here. So now it continues on 234, sheet number 01. So if I go to the 01 on 234, I can see the continuation as well. And same thing, vice versa. So this is 233-01.